Hello everyone, welcome ulit sa Tower PH TV. So we're here for another quick video. Yan guys, medyo na-curious lang ako and I saw this. Actually, I think medyo matagal na to but it got my interest kasi it's a card game from Gundam Bandai. As you all know from our previous videos or older videos na nagbi-build tayo ng mga Gundam kits, and I got curious about this one. I want to know and understand para saan yung game and what kinds of cards are there and ano yung mga possible hits dito. So I barely know anything about this except dun sa mga characters, some of the characters dun sa Gundam. Tingnan natin. I tried to get one pack for each series, so there are 3 series already. Pero yan guys, before we dwell so much into this, check out muna natin ang ating intro.
Let's get started.
So yun, as you can see guys, out of curiosity, bumili tayo ng tatlong different packs from different booster sets. Yung first booster set is New Type Rising, yung next is Dual Impact, and yung last is yung Steel Requiem. So check natin guys kung maganda to, then possible pwede natin i-add sa mga collections natin. Ang nakikita ko based sa mga review natin is there's this actually part of game ng Gundam, and ano siya, may mga different units or types of cards. There are 4 types of cards. Wala pa ako masyadong nakukuhang details or nag-start pa lang ako mag-review, but dun sa mga cards nito meron siyang mga special cards, which is dito daw sa may part na to meron plus. So with this one, it's a common card or C. Ang nakuha natin guys is Japanese version. I think meron ding English version ito. I'm not sure about dun sa mga ano niya, cost. So isa pa rin sa mga pag-aaralan natin, but let's start muna dun sa sa types ng card. Commonly yun, common Japanese made card. Then with this one, ito yung mga common cards or base card na yung mas dahil yung color niya compared to sa mga special cards na I believe mga holo and may mga linings. Other details siguro i-share ko na lang, no? So tingnan muna natin. If you know guys anything about these cards, please share sa comment section below, and i-share na rin if these are good to collect. So yan, and since these are Japanese cards, medyo hindi natin naiintindihan, so we have to still review or check. So some of the characters, ang ganda nung graphics niya, yung pagkakadraw ng mga characters. Pickle Up Gundam, these are from the older series, so I said medyo hindi natin kilala. So this is I think this is Spaceship or Command Center, and if I'm not mistaken, this Gundam Unicorn and this one. Then we have this one in pilot. So I'm trying to recall, meron yatang unit which is mobile suit, merong pilot, merong commander, and merong base. Yung base is either yung ship nila or yung base, yung typical base. And sa last card, I think ito na yung no, we only have another common card na I'm not sure, but I think this is Ariel, one of the hunt cards, pero mas maganda sana kung meron siya nung C. So yun, siguro in some future short videos I will try to check na lang the details. With this one, surprisingly parang wala akong this one is kind of hollow, pero or din siya compared dito, or maybe I'm wrong, but this one is a little shinier compared dun sa mga common cards, kasi I believe meron dapat isang holo. So this one I think is the holo. So the last or the next to the last card. So for this one I think this is the better card. Lagyan muna natin siya. And for the next pack from the second series, Dual Impact. Yan guys, pasensya na, medyo nakangapalang din ako. All I know kasi talaga is more on sa Gundam. Gunpla, yung mga kits na binubuo. Actually, I still have lots of boxes na kailangan nating buuin. So, I'll try to also get yung mga English version, because this one medyo I don't really see the point. If there are somewhere collecting yung mga Japanese version, I think you can check out how may if you're interested. And this one, I think this one is another pilot. This one is a unit. So this one not really familiar with, but the colorway niya is more sa good side, sa Gundam side. And wala pa tayong nakukuha plus this one familiar ako, I think that's Iron Blood Orphans na series, if I'm not mistaken. Then another are this base or command center. And yung last card natin, another common card, which I think ito yung holo natin kung daw nagkakamali, is this one. Yep, Psycho Gundam. Ay, yun pala. So merong nakasulat sa last card. So this one is Gundam Aerial and this one is Psycho Gundam. Yun, I think on this part mas maganda sana kung nakukuha natin yung medyo special. I'm not sure kung merong holo na So with this one we got the base card, and I think this is the holo one. Compared to other TCG cards or TCG, medyo parang light ang pagka-holo nito compared dun sa other. Or again, if I'm mistaken, baka base card lang din siya. Although yung pagka-shine niya is really different compared dito. So again, my end, I think I'll say this is a holo. And for the latest part or pack, latest booster sa Steel Requiem, hopefully we get something, pero medyo manipis hindi ko rin nakita kung ilang cards per pack, but so we got this Gundam. I think this is more of yung kabilang side. Another pilot. This Gundam Barbatos unit. So this another pilot. This one is Freedom Gundam. Yep, meron tayong model kit nito na binuo natin So for our holo, I think wala tayong nakuhang special card. Tingnan natin yung last natin na card, si Camper. So this one is the other side. And yung last card natin, we did not get anything special. Another rare card. It's another base command center, or base. So yun guys, with this one, medyo wala tayong nakuhang something special. Again, we're still trying to learn or study more about this set or this pack, but as you can see, medyo may familiarity tayo dun sa mga characters for some ng mga series na napanood natin, because Gundam series has been running since 1984, more than 40 years na. And you can see dito sa ating mga videos, we have some Gundam kits and Gundam models na meron tayong ginawa ng video. I think I'll try to get some more of this one, and hopefully makakuha tayo ng mga special cards, but magta-try ako ng medyo English version kasi I'm not really familiar with the Japanese language. So medyo hindi ko na intindihan yung nakasulat. Yun. So with that guys, I would like to thank everyone who joined me on this video, and big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan ng mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. On this side, we're trying to check on the Gundam card game. So yung mga collectibles niyan, and siguro we'll do some short videos trying to check the details on these cards. And hopefully makakuha tayo ng mga better cards in the future. So I'll try to get into this collection. But the game, I'm not really into the card gaming world. More on sa collections lang tayo. So let's see. And also big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza and Soul, and si Sis Geb Hampas Lupang Burgess. Yun. So please support po yung kanilang mga channel. And yung mga regular supporters natin, si Pauline, kalaro ko sa Mobile Legends, si Miss Ida Grace, Mami Belsato, si Daddy OHLJ, si Miss Margie, si si Miss Ida Grace. And the rest pa, si Nori from Japan, big shout out. And friend, if you know things about this, please share with me. I just can't really understand what's written on these cards. So hanggang dito lang guys, medyo mahaba na yung video. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa mga ating pangsusunod na video. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron pa tayong mga bagong videos. Again guys, this is Albert Tremo from Tower PH TV. Kita-kita po ulit tayo.